Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. We have root 2 over x plus root 2 equal to 1 over x minus root 2. Okay, if we're going to find the value of x in this problem, we can just do that by cross multiplying. So we have root 2 multiplied by x minus root 2. So this will now be equal to this multiplied by 1. We'll still have x plus root 2. Now let's open the bracket. So we have root 2 times x. We can call that x root 2. Then minus root 2 times root 2. That will give us 2. Because first of all, it will be root 4. And square root of 4 is 2. So this will be equal to x plus root 2. At this point, we collect like terms, right? So we'll have x root 2 and this x will be together, so it becomes negative x. This will be equal to this one first, which is root 2, then this. That will be plus 2 now, right? And then mind you, we cannot add this, right? Because this is a root and this is not. But what do we do to this? We are going to factorize our x out. So x will come out. Then here we have root 2 minus x divided by x is 1. This way, we have been able to get x in one place. So this will be equal to square root of 2 plus 2. And then since we are looking for x, we have to divide both sides by root 2 minus 1. Then divide this by root 2 minus 1. Now this is going to go with this. And then our x will be equal to root 2 plus 2 over root 2 minus 1. Now some persons may be tempted to cancel this root 2 and root 2. So they'll get 2 over minus 1, but that will be wrong. So what do? We are going to rationalize this because of this denominator, right? So the first thing we will do is to get the conjugate of this sword. And the conjugate is to change the sign you have in the denominator, right? So the conjugate of this sword will be root 2 plus 1. So we're going to use this root 2 plus 1 to multiply both the numerator and the denominator here, right? So let's keep going. Okay, so this is where we are. The conjugate is root 2 plus 1. What we have done to get the conjugate is to change the sign. Now this will multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So our x will be equal to root 2 plus 2 over root 2 minus 1 multiplied by root 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus 1. So we are using the conjugates to multiply everything. So let's multiply straight away so that our x will now be equal to root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Then root 2 times 1 will give us positive root 2. Then 2 times root 2 will give us another positive 2 root 2, right? Now let me go over this again. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 2 times 1, that will be root 2. Then 2 times root 2, that will be 2 root 2. Then 2 times 1, that will be plus 2. Now let's go over to the denominator so that we have root 2 times root 2, that is 2. Root 2 times 1, that will be plus root 2. 1 times root 2, that will be minus root 2. Then minus 1 times 1, that will be minus 1. Now, this and this will cancel. So we have x to be equal to, we have 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then root 2 plus 2 root 2, that will give us plus 3 root 2. Just like saying we have root 2 in one place plus root 2 in two place or in two places. That will give us 3 root 2. Then we divide this by 2 minus 1. So we have 2 minus 1. And if we continue with this, we have x to be equal to 4 plus 3 root 2. And it's going to be over 1. So even if you divide it by 1, you will still have the same value. So this is the value of x in the given equation. Thank you for watching.